I've got an interesting factoid about Eyam.
What's your facts, Dan?
Eyam had the Black Death. Oh, I've got my places mixed up. It's Eyam I'm on about.
All that for nothing. So do you know where we are right now?
I do not. Oh well, let's look at me thing, but I need to keep my eyes on road instead of looking at my satellite navigation device.
Well, what starts with E and doesn't sound like Eyam. No, it sounds like Eyam. Sorry, I've already messed that up.
Oh right. Well, could it be Eyam, the location of the bubonic plague?
The plague village.
And just a bit of information additional to the last time, the actual town folk quarantined themselves. It was their decision.
Yeah, they put like stones around the perimeter of the village.
And there is the last time I went, there was a thing like not a monument, but like a marker in the middle of the village.
Yeah, it's a Saxton marker, isn't it?
I don't know. So like I say, it's a long time ago, and I wasn't around. I might be old, but I wasn't around in Saxon times, unfortunately.
So yeah, Eyam, the plague village, the letter E.
Letter E.
What else can you tell me about it? Well, as we make our way over to Eyam, what can you tell me about it then? Apart from being the plague village.
Well, that's it. It's just a village in Derbyshire, isn't it?
That's its claim to fame.
Why, have you got a claim to fame?
What, me personally?
No, not you. The village. All I know is its claim to fame is just the plague village.
Yeah, that's about it really. So they contracted the bubonic plague, as you said in the last alphabetical video, through a bit of cloth. He was correct. But yeah, the tailors died and then it just spread through the village. So I don't think you've done this bit of the Peak District.
Not on the old two wheels, mate. No.
Not on the old two wheels. So a little bit that way, I think, is Kerber. I've been there in a video before. Kerber's Edge or Kerber Edge. It's basically a big rock that you can walk up.
Okay.
People like walking and stuff. So there's that.
I'd be able to ride up it with my ultimate suspension compared to yours.
Well, I don't think any bike could ride up it, to be honest. So yeah, you got Kerber in this area. What other Siege? That's in this area. So there's just a lot of little villages scattered about, but we are going to Eyam.
And are these villages going to look like not modernised, look like a village?
Yeah, they're like built out of those old cobblestones and stuff, aren't they?
Well, we'll have a look. I'm sure we'll get some interesting footage.
We'll have to wait and see. There's that Saxon stone that you was talking about, look.
Yes. And I think there's at the bottom of it, there's all the people that died. The names, I might be wrong.
Speaking of the people that died, I think it must have been about 70 or 80% of the population of Eyam perished to the bubonic plague.
There might only been 100 people living in the village.
Now, it's controversial. People say different amounts, but I think it was about 250, 300 people.
Oh, I could get a cup of tea room. Where are you going?
I'm going to go up that road there.
Can you go up there? Is this permitted? This is somebody's driving it.
No. Look at this. We've got the Miners' Arms. Have a pint in Beer Garden. This is Eyam, folks. This is the letter E.
I think we're going out of Eyam, aren't we now?
Oh yeah, I've took a wrong turn here, I think.
We need to find the monument.
I think.
Or the Saxon Cross, or whatever it is you called it.
The Saxon Cross, isn't that in the graveyard?
I thought it was right in the sock in the middle of the village.
So the church is the right, you've gone left.
I'm going up here, man, look.
So yeah, Eyam tea rooms.
It says Riley Cave.
Get a cake there or something. Riley Caves. Oh, the graves. Yeah, the Riley Graves. Do you want a
is it? I thought it said caves.
No, the Riley Graves. Do you want a bit of history on that?
Go then. Go for it.
So Elizabeth Hancock had to bury her whole family. I think it was 6 children and a husband, all within 8 days. And their resting place is still it's obviously in the same location to this day. We can actually have a look if you want. It is up this road. Oh, road closed at Ed.
Motor and horse-drawn vehicles.
Hey, there's a motorbike on that sign. Share with care. It looks like it might get a little bit sketchy though.
It is a motorcycle, mate.
It's a byway then.
That.
I'm over here.
Oh, sorry. Well, I'll follow you then. This was somewhere to stop off for a nice cup of tea or coffee.
Not yet. Oh my goodness, this was a mistake.
Why?
No, that is.
Go for it.
Oh, flipping heck. Thank you. So I think this is the road at least, the Riley graves, yeah, so she buried her entire family on a hillside, and the graves are, I think they're protected by the National Trust now, but yeah, they're still there. It's quite crazy when you think about it. I think this is the road at least.
And this is the beauty, son, of owning a motorcycle, that you can go down such routes as this and no cars can. Fantabby-dozy. Although there's a lot of crackling going off underneath my tyre, so
It's the gravel.
hopefully it's not nails and spikes and things.
No, just take it steady, you'll be alright.
It's just the noise it's making, like bacon frying. Oh, bacon! I could just eat some more bacon.
Wow, look at this.
This is very nice around here, mate. Oh, what have you found here? Look at that. Lovely.
That is nice.
Oh,
Although,
I'm
going to say this is definitely not the right road though, but the Riley graves, they are still there, but it's not the end of the world that we've not found them.
Well, we could always go back down. If you want to just like skip that, we've been to Eyam and not looked at it, and we're somewhere else now.
Yeah, let's continue onwards, but that is Eyam, that is the letter E complete, and that's a bit of history on the plague village itself.
And we never got to saw the flipping cross.
Well, we can go back, but I mean this, on the Google Maps I did actually see this road and it didn't look like an actual public road, so I missed it out, but yeah, I'm freaking glad that we did it. Look at that. Is the camera falling off and you're not set it?
No?
It looks like it's pointed at the floor. I'm going to stop. Wave for the camera. Hello.